Hello viewers, this is Nida Hasif. Welcome to my channel Life with Nida. My today's topic is all about adjectives. But before starting the adjectives, we must take the review of the previous parts of speech that are noun, pronoun and verbs. I will give the link in the description, so it will be beneficial for you to take a little review of the previous parts of speech. So without any further delay, let's get started. What is an adjective? Adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. Before starting the explanation of the adjectives, we must understand or review the noun. So what is a noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, thing or an idea. Now what is adjective? Adjective describes a noun. Let's see the examples for the adjective. In case of a person, Babar Azam. Babar Azam is the best player. Or I say, Babar Azam is a clever cricketer. So, best and clever are the qualities of a Babar Azam, which is used here as an adjective. Let's see another example. In case of a place, Karachi. So what do you think of Karachi? If I say Karachi is a big city, or I say Karachi is a beautiful place, so big and beautiful are the words that is describing Karachi as a place. In case of a thing, ball. So what do you think of a ball as a thing? If I say this ball is very colorful, or I say this ball has 6 colors. So colorful and 6 is describing the ball as a thing. So in case of an idea, suppose dream. So if I say I got a scary dream last night, or I say I got a scary funny dream last night, so scary and funny are the words that is describing a dream as an idea. So these are the examples of adjectives which are describing nouns. Remember, noun and pronouns are the same. Pronouns are used in place of the nouns. So adjectives describes the noun and pronoun also. Now let's see some sentence examples to make things even more clear. Number 1, Ali is a tall person. So here tall is an adjective which is describing a person Ali, that how tall he is. Number 2, this is a small ball. Here small is the size of a ball which is used as an adjective in this example. Number 3, Sarah has 5 chocolates. Here 5 is an adjective which is showing the quantity of chocolates that Sarah has. Now I hope you are clear with the concept of adjectives. Now let's discuss how many degrees of comparison adjective has. So adjectives have 3 degrees of comparison: positive, comparative and superlative. Degrees of adjectives are used to compare things. So number 1 is positive degree. Positive degree is used to describe, not compare things. Number 2 is comparative degree. Comparative degree is used to compare two things. And number 3, superlative degree. Superlative degree is used to compare more than 2 things. Now let me explain with the example to make it more clear. Number 1, Ahmad is a tall boy. So tall is an adjective here which is describing the height of Ahmad. So it is describing a noun. So it is a positive degree. Number 2, Ali is taller than Ahmad. So here taller is a comparative degree which is comparing the height of the two person Ali and Ahmad. Number 3, Aslam is tallest among all. Here, tallest is the superlative degree which is describing the height of the three persons. So, these are the examples of the degrees of adjectives. Now, let's look into the some more examples of comparative and superlative degree. By adding ER for comparative and EST for superlative at the end of the positive degree. Number 1, bright, brighter, brightest. Number 2, cold, colder, coldest. Number 3, strong, stronger, strongest. So these are the examples of the comparative and superlative degree by adding ER for comparative and EST for superlative at the end of the positive degree. So let's see another way of changing comparative and superlative degree. By adding R for comparative and ST for superlative at the end of the positive degree. So this is another way of changing comparative and superlative degree. Number 1, fine, finer, finest. Number 2, wise, wiser, wisest. Number 3, white, whiter, whitest. So note down the characters R and ST for the conversion of comparative and superlative degree at the end of the positive degree. So there are some more degrees of adjective, some more words that are not changed in this way. These are called the irregular adjectives. Let's see the examples of the irregular adjectives. They do not follow the conversion of the comparative and superlative degree that we have learned earlier. Number 1, good, better, best. Number 2, bad, worse, worst. Number 3, little, less, least. So these are the examples of the irregular adjectives that in this way they can be changed. So that's it for the lesson of adjectives today. And let's see what we have learned in this video. We have learned in this video about the adjectives. So what are the adjectives? Adjectives are the words that describes noun or pronoun. After that, we have discussed the degrees of comparison of adjectives. There are 3 degrees of comparison of adjectives. Number 1, positive. Number 2, comparative. Number 3, superlative. So this is the review of our today's lectures. I hope now you are clear with the concept of adjectives and degrees of adjectives. Thank you for watching. If you have any question and suggestions, so do comment in the comment section and share with your friends so they can also get benefit from my videos. And do hit the like button. Have a good day.